Did you know Henry Ford once hired 200 spies to watch his workers at home? In 1914, Ford created the Sociological Department, basically lifestyle police for his factory workers. These investigators would show up at your house unannounced to make sure you weren't drinking, dancing, or even gardening wrong. Yes, gardening wrong was a fireable offense. Workers had to prove they were married, not just living together. They checked your bank account, interviewed your neighbors, and demanded detailed budgets showing how you spent every penny. Men got fired for going to dance halls or having unmarried female friends visit. One worker was terminated because his garden wasn't neat enough. Another lost his job for not saving money the right way. Ford genuinely believed controlling every aspect of his workers' lives would make them better employees. The program was so ridiculous that workers eventually revolted. Imagine getting fired today because your boss didn't like how you spent your weekend. Ford's moral police proved that even good intentions can create the most absurd workplace nightmares in history.